Assalamualaikum, my beautiful family. Today, we're remaking a warm and comforting Gajar Halwa, the perfect winter dessert that brings back sweet memories of home. Start by adding your freshly grated red carrots to a pot. Pour in some rich, full-fat milk and let it all simmer gently, allowing the carrots to soak up that creamy goodness. Next, add a generous spoonful of ghee. Stir continuously until the halwa becomes glossy and releases a beautiful, rich aroma that fills your kitchen with warmth. Now, mix in the sugar and a pinch of fragrant cardamom powder. The sweet smell is absolutely heavenly. Continue stirring until everything comes together perfectly. Garnish your delicious halwa with a handful of chopped nuts for that lovely festive crunch and a beautiful presentation. Finally, serve it warm in bowls, watching the steam rise. Your delicious Gajar Halwa is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hijabi Bites for more cozy and traditional desserts. Jazakallahu khair, Allah Hafiz.